There's a lot of recipes out there. You can make spanakopita different ways, but here at the Broadway, I started making it, and I never changed the recipe. The process is I beat my eggs first, my herbs, my Romano cheese, my feta. I add my drained spinach, and I have all the ingredients made. And then I start with a phyllo dough. The phyllo dough, it's already made, and you brush every phyllo with butter or margarine if you want, or half and half with oil, but I use margarine here. I overlapped my phyllo. I use it the whole pound on the bottom. You have to brush with butter each one so it gets crispy when it cooks. That's the most important. Then I put my ingredients inside, the spinach filling. Then I cover it with the rest of the phyllo. I use another pound on top of it, so it's nice and crispy. And I cook it for an hour, very slow. I like very nice brown color. I take it out and I don't cut it right away. You have to wait for a little while to cool off. And the Broadway pan I use, we get 16 pieces out of it. We serve it with a Greek salad.
Why so much dough?
Because it's crispy to me. I don't want to eat just spinach. I want to eat phyllo too. That's how I like it. That's how I like to serve it. I make 4 pans a week because I don't want them to say we don't have any more. I like to have extra to have. So 4 a week for sure. And it's so good because it's motherly done. Oh, we have it every day. It's not just special once a week or once. It's every day on the menu. You can find it every day on the menu.
Every diner needs to have the basics: great French toast, a great burger, good coffee, and a great cheesecake.
The diner's been here since 1999. It was a diner before and it was closed. They called it Boulevard Diner. We opened it up, we fixed it, and we named it Broadway Diner because we lived in New York and we moved here and the boys wanted to name it Broadway Diner. It was a family diner. We all worked in, we cooked our own recipes, and we got good location and good customers, and we are on top of everything, and we have good employees. You gotta have good employees to take care of our customers.
So this is our very own homemade challah bread, which we use for the French toast. One of our best sellers here at the diner. We bake about 12 loaves a day. All right, so here we saw our chef Willie getting ready to prepare an order French toast, which in the order there's 3 slices of French toast. He dips it into the batter, which is made up of about 75% egg, 25% milk, vanilla extract, and cinnamon. Once he puts it on the grill, each side should take about 1.5 minutes, to 1:45 seconds. We serve it with confectionery sugar unless specified by the customer. And then you can also add whatever you like, fresh strawberries to it, vanilla ice cream to it, topped with maple syrup. It's one of our best sellers. All right, so we make all our desserts homemade here. Probably one of the last diners that do in the area. We still have our baker, my brother Jim. Our famous cheesecake, obviously. We sell probably about, I'd say maybe a dozen a week. And everything's homemade, from coconut cream pie, chocolate mousse, chocolate cream pie, cheesecake, chocolate layer cake, lemon cake, Oreo cake. And one of our, he makes all the fruit pies from scratch. The shell is my father's recipe. And my mother also makes the baklava because she's good working with phyllo dough. So the baklava consists of, again, phyllo dough, butter, and walnuts, and she layers it like that. Cheesecake is also homemade. All the desserts are homemade. I don't know the exact ingredients. My brother won't give those up, but it's a soft, rich, gluten-free cheesecake. It has no graham cracker crust on it. It's got a great taste to it. It's got a great texture to it. It's got a nice, solid outside and a nice fluffy inside. He's award-winning when he first started out, about 4 years in a row on some pie contests. So I'd rake it probably a 10, which most people do.
I'm Amy Williamson. On behalf of the Greater Binghamton Chamber County and the Southern Tier independent restaurants, thank you so much for watching our Savor the Flavors video. And another special thank you to our sponsor, IBM.